Everything about it is illegal. Everything. But it's been here for 25 years. What are you going to do? I mean, you're not stupid, are you? It's been here for 25 years. Why didn't you say something 25 years ago? Art comes to you in moments. Mm-hmm. Art comes to you because you're out here and you're vulnerable. You get ideas by just running around. It's art that comes within you. Yeah, as long as you have something inside of you and you want to get rid of it, one way to do it is art. Eccentric is a word for people that are crazy, kind of. The goggles, kids, the goggles. See the goggles? I'm Snoopy. I'm flying. And everybody says nice hat or nice helmet, and that's okay, but I've heard that before. What about the goggles? You see me in the goggles? That's me. I found them. The yard bird has been here for 15 years. I'm hoping they really understand what I'm trying to tell them. The truth, the real truth, and nothing but the truth is back here. This is where it becomes art. Her behind is in the right proportions for her spine. Look at that spine. That's the way we all should stand. She's one of my fun things to do. And why? Because she's got those red shoes, and the red shoes are everything. And this is the way I found this. That's all I did to it. It was like that, and my God, they were taking pictures of it, and I thought, oh, they must see Bullwinkle or something in it. What are they seeing? That I used it one day as a wedge. It's a triangular shape. Oh my God. So I live with it, and I've had it in the garbage 3 times. And I've taken it out the 3rd time to leave it out because it's a trophy. And always beside it has been this one, and this is the one I like. This is the one Picasso would say, son, you're doing just fine, just hang in there. I'm $5 or less on all the material I make this stuff out of. If you're competing with me with $50 or $55 or $555 material, we're in 2 different ballparks. Ooh, I like it already. I like it. I like this place. Wire, oh, I can use it. This bin right here, you know what's in it?
Yeah.
$5?
There's more than $5 in there, in that bin. There's a bunch of steel and stuff in there.
What if you took this out of it? I don't need that. Nothing in it, nothing that I want. They're like hair plugs. Usually I put 3 of them, but that's just a big one and a medium. Then you get about 3 of these, and you put the 3 together. Hi, kid. Hey, you made it this far, didn't you?
Yep.
Yeah.
We went by and we thought, wow.
Wow, that's it.
You gotta come and see that.
Yeah. This is motorcycle work. Well, I'm demonstrating. I can make it go fast. That's fast enough. I turn that thing off. They come and they go, and they're magic to me. For a moment, I take everything they've got and try to give them just a little bit of what I've got, love. It's almost like it was dipped in baptism, you know, comes out alive. It's dead when you make it. There's not much to it. But boy, the wind and the rain and the age can put a lot into it. And you see it, and you understand it. Everybody does. You can see it from Harrison. And when I turn it on, it drives you crazy. You can't even drive down Harrison with that thing going. And all I did was plug it in.